Welcome to Kids Playroom! Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel! So today we're going to make a little experiment. So the things you will need is some plastic bottles. And you also need some balloons. And you will also need a measuring cup and a funnel. And we also have some vinegar and some coloring. We have the orange one, looks like red. It's actually orange. And we also have some baking soda. So let's start. You ready?
Yes!
Okay. Let's put some vinegar first. Oh, a little bit more. There you go. Here.
Put it on the plastic
Now I will put the funnel in here.
and
I'm now going to transfer it inside. There you go.
And mine too.
Okay, I'm gonna put this here first, and I'm going to put the funnel on the other bottle.
Careful.
Okay, I'm gonna fill this up with vinegar again.
And go careful to put that.
Okay, I'll be careful. Put it in the bottle. Be careful. Woo. Okay. Okay, now let's put it here.
This goes.
Yeah, let's put it here first. Okay, pick a balloon. I'm gonna get the gold one.
I'm gonna get.
Okay, I'm just gonna put this in, and we're going to do. Oh, thank you. You too. Here you go, just a little bit more, and I'm done. Good. I'm gonna take the balloon out slowly, so it will not spill. Wait, actually, it did spill. Now I'm going to put this.
One.
Can you please hold the bottle? Thank you. So I can stretch this in perfectly.
I hold mine.
Okay, just a second. So now we are going to tilt the balloons. In 3, 2, 1.